From smart tools that help you move easier, to everyday gadgets that bring back independence. Today, we're counting down the top 25 assistive Amazon gadgets designed to make life simpler, safer, and more comfortable for seniors and people with disabilities. And yes, we're sharing the prices too. So, let's dive in and discover which ones could make a real difference in your or a loved one's daily routine. This is the Z21 Rollator Walker with Seat by Vosic, a lightweight yet durable mobility aid designed specifically for seniors. Built with a strong aluminum alloy frame, it features an ergonomic arc seat for superior comfort, a breathable backrest, and large all-terrain wheels that glide smoothly over various surfaces. The dual height adjustment system ensures a personalized fit, while the compact folding design makes storage and transport effortless. Safety is prioritized with a responsive braking system and reflective accents for nighttime visibility. Plus, it comes with a stylish, detachable storage bag and hassle-free installation, making it a reliable companion for everyday independence. This is the ConVu electric wheelchair for adults, a modern, foldable power wheelchair designed for both comfort and performance. Built with an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, it delivers powerful mobility with dual 300-watt motors and an extended travel range of up to 28 miles on a single charge. The chair folds in just seconds and is airline approved, making it perfect for travel. Safety features include an automatic electromagnetic brake, puncture-proof tires, and professional-grade shock absorbers. With smart joystick control, multiple speed levels, and a wide cushioned seat, it offers both smooth maneuverability and long-lasting comfort. Ideal for seniors and adults seeking independence on any terrain. This is the AX12 Electric Raised Toilet Seat by VOCIC, a thoughtfully designed toilet lift seat that offers powered assistance for elderly and mobility-challenged users. With a remote-controlled electric lifting mechanism, it provides smooth and reliable elevation support up to 330 pounds. The ergonomic design enhances user safety by maintaining balance during movement, while the removable armrests offer added convenience, especially for wheelchair transfers. Unlike bulky alternatives, this space-saving model mounts directly to most standard toilets, making it a practical and discreet solution for everyday bathroom independence. This is the YHK Inflatable Turning Device, a multifunctional U-shaped pillow designed to assist with repositioning and caregiving for bedridden individuals. Made with a durable polyester pillowcase and a waterproof PVC interior, it's lightweight, easy to clean, and simple to inflate. The device includes secure straps and a convenient handle, allowing caregivers to safely and efficiently turn users for hygiene care, pressure relief, or comfort. Ideal for the elderly, disabled, or those recovering from surgery, it helps prevent bed sores and muscle stiffness while reducing the physical strain on caregivers. This is the Syncom leg massager for circulation and pain relief, a corded electric air compression device designed to soothe tired legs and improve blood flow. Ideal for daily relaxation or managing swelling, edema, or restless legs, it offers 2 massage modes and 3 intensity levels using rhythmic air pressure that mimics gentle kneading. Soft and breathable, it includes 2 extension pieces to comfortably fit a wide range of leg sizes, making it a thoughtful gift for parents or loved ones. With an auto shut-off timer and intuitive controls, it's a safe, cozy, and user-friendly solution for everyday leg comfort. This is the Syncom leg massager for circulation and pain relief, a corded electric air compression device designed to soothe tired legs and improve blood flow. Ideal for daily relaxation or managing swelling, edema, or restless legs, it offers 2 massage modes and 3 intensity levels using rhythmic air pressure that mimics gentle kneading. Soft and breathable, it includes 2 extension pieces to comfortably fit a wide range of leg sizes, making it a thoughtful gift for parents or loved ones. With an auto shut-off timer and intuitive controls, it's a safe, cozy, and user-friendly solution for everyday leg comfort. This is the VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp, a 4-foot folding aluminum ramp designed to provide safe, reliable access over home steps, doorways, or thresholds. Built with a double non-slip surface and sturdy anti-rust hinges, it supports up to 600 pounds and includes reflective safety stickers for added visibility. Its lightweight, foldable design with comfortable carrying handles makes it easy to store or transport. Whether it's for wheelchairs, scooters, walkers, or even strollers, this ramp offers a durable and versatile solution for indoor or outdoor use. The Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter is a compact and powerful mobility solution designed for adults and seniors who value both comfort and independence. It offers smooth navigation across indoor floors and outdoor surfaces, with durable tires and a stable build. The swivel seat, cushioned armrests, and adjustable height make getting on and off effortless and comfortable. Designed to be easily disassembled into 4 pieces, it fits conveniently in car trunks, making it ideal for travel. With intuitive controls and a reliable battery, this scooter is perfect for daily errands or leisurely outings. The bed rails for elderly adults by PletPet offer sturdy support and enhanced safety for seniors and those with mobility challenges. Featuring 2 easy grip handles and a removable storage pouch, this bed assist rail helps with getting in and out of bed comfortably, while keeping essentials close at hand. Designed for stability and easy installation, it fits a variety of mattress sizes and provides reliable fall prevention to improve peace of mind during rest and recovery. The Oasis Space Compact Folding Walker is designed for easy mobility and convenience, perfect for seniors who need reliable support both indoors and outdoors. Its narrow, space-saving design makes it simple to transport and store, while the one-click trigger release allows effortless folding with safe, independent side operation. Made from durable yet lightweight medical-grade aluminum, this walker provides sturdy stability with smooth rolling thanks to included skis and offers adjustable height and comfortable grips for a personalized fit. The upgraded 10x magnifying glass with light and clamp from NeoGlint offers precise, hands-free magnification ideal for detailed tasks like crafting, sewing, or reading. Featuring a real glass lens with touch control for easy brightness and color adjustments, it provides clear, distortion-free views without eye strain. Its extendable swing arm and sturdy clamp allow flexible positioning on desks or workbenches, making it perfect for hobbyists, professionals, or anyone needing enhanced visual aid for close work. This is the Keamina Padded Bathtub Safety Rails, designed to enhance safety and independence for seniors and individuals with limited mobility. Featuring a sturdy steel build with comfortable padded grips, it securely attaches to most bathtubs to provide reliable support when entering or exiting. Its adjustable clamp system ensures a snug fit without damaging the tub, making it a practical and easy-to-install solution for preventing slips and falls during bathing. This is the Srora Toilet Safety Rails, designed to provide sturdy and comfortable support for seniors and individuals with limited mobility. Made with durable aluminum and soft padded handles, these foldable rails fit most toilet sizes and offer anti-slip grips for added safety. Easy to install without tools, they help prevent falls and improve stability, making bathroom use safer and more convenient for those recovering from injury or with mobility challenges. This is the Kolb's Bed Wedge Pillow, designed to provide comfortable support and relief for conditions like acid reflux, snoring, back pain, and post-surgery recovery. Featuring a memory foam top and a stylish, removable jacquard cover, it offers both functionality and elegance for your bedroom. The wedge shape helps elevate the head or legs to improve sleep quality and reduce discomfort, making it a practical addition for restful nights and enhanced comfort. This is the Made-A-Site electric chair lift, designed to help seniors stand up independently with ease and dignity. It features a powerful motor and safety elements like a non-slip pad and emergency stop button to ensure secure use. The cordless remote control allows effortless adjustment to any height, fitting sofas, beds, or wheelchairs for smooth transitions. Built with durable materials and backed by a satisfaction guarantee, this lift chair promotes independence while reducing strain for both users and caregivers. This is the HomeMate Heated Blanket Electric Throw, designed to provide cozy warmth and comfort with its soft flannel and Sherpa fabric. It features multiple heat settings and an auto-off timer for safe and customizable use. The blanket uses advanced technology to evenly distribute heat while preventing overheating, making it energy efficient and safe. Lightweight and easy to operate, it's ideal for anyone needing extra warmth or relief from muscle and joint pain, making it a thoughtful gift for loved ones. The EZ-PIKEY Pro 43-inch foldable grabber reacher is a heavy-duty, lightweight tool designed to help seniors and individuals with limited mobility easily reach and pick up objects without bending or straining. Featuring a strong magnetic tip for grabbing small metal items and a patented oversized latch, it can securely hold up to 5 pounds. Its foldable design and clip-on tubes make it portable and convenient to attach to walkers, wheelchairs, or beds. This grabber is perfect for improving daily accessibility and independence with reliable, durable construction. The HomeAider electric knife makes slicing meat, bread, and more fast and effortless with its powerful, low-vibration motor and ergonomic handle. It comes with 2 durable stainless steel blades, one for meat and one for bread, and a serving fork. The extra-long cord adds convenience, while the lightweight design ensures easy one-hand use. Safety is prioritized with a dual lock system, and the blades are removable and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. ETL certified with a 1-year US-based warranty, it's perfect for precise, comfortable carving at home. This is the adaptive one-handed cutting board by Pulpalet, designed specifically for one-handed use. Perfect for seniors, stroke survivors, amputees, and anyone needing extra kitchen support, it features sturdy stainless steel spikes and anti-slip feet to securely hold food in place, making chopping and slicing safer and easier. The board includes handy tools like bread stops and a one-handed vegetable peeler, simplifying meal prep for users with limited mobility. Made from durable natural bamboo, it offers a spacious surface and is easy to clean with its removable components. This is the Chair Couch Stand Assist by KBTE, a lightweight and easy-to-use mobility aid designed to help seniors, disabled, and handicapped individuals stand up safely from chairs, couches, or sofas. Its ergonomic S-shaped grab bars feature waterproof, non-slip TPE handles for a comfortable and secure grip, supporting up to 300 pounds. The device fits most seating with ground clearance above 1.4 inches and couch heights under 22 inches, providing stable balance and independence while preventing falls. Assembly is simple, and rubber feet protect floors from scratches, making it a practical daily living aid for enhanced mobility and safety. This is the Step 2 Gold Tada Chair Series 2P Row, a portable and versatile trekking pole that instantly converts into a lightweight folding chair. Made from durable aircraft-grade aluminum, it supports up to 300 pounds and adjusts in length for user comfort. Featuring an ergonomic handle and anti-slip rubber feet, this walking stick chair offers stability and comfort for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and those needing rest on the go. It also includes a smartphone holder to keep your hands free while seated. Easy to carry and store, it's ideal for anyone seeking support and convenience during walks or outdoor activities. This is the foldable rollator walker with seat by Homland, a reliable and stylish mobility aid designed for seniors. Built with a reinforced frame and double support bars, it supports up to 350 pounds while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. The 8-inch puncture-proof wheels glide smoothly on any surface, and the adjustable handles and seat height ensure a personalized fit for users from 4 feet 7 inches to 6 feet 6 inches. Comfort is key with its breathable backrest and extra-wide memory foam seat. Foldable for easy storage and equipped with a dependable braking system and ergonomic hand grips, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This is the KVR upgraded garden kneeler and seat, a thoughtful and practical gardening companion, especially ideal for seniors. Featuring a widened 7.9-inch soft kneeling pad, it offers extra comfort and support during long gardening sessions. The heavy-duty yet lightweight foldable frame supports up to 330 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. It doubles as a sturdy seat or a comfortable kneeler and comes with 2 large tool pouches to keep essentials close at hand. A perfect gift for gardening enthusiasts, especially moms, women, or elderly loved ones. This is the Monicare Lightweight Wheelchair, a compact and travel-friendly mobility solution designed for adults. It features a 17.5-inch breathable seat, swing-away footrests, and loop-lock handbrakes for added safety. The durable aluminum frame ensures stability without the bulk, while the 15-inch rear wheels offer smooth movement across different surfaces. With ergonomic armrests and removable cushions, it provides both comfort and practicality, perfect for daily use or transport on the go. This is the HJDF GSS Underdesk Elliptical Machine, designed for seniors and adults seeking low-impact leg exercise while sitting. It features both electric and manual modes, allowing you to passively glide or actively pedal using your own strength. With 10 speed levels, a wireless remote, and a quiet motor, it's ideal for use at home or in the office. The non-slip pedals and grooved rollers provide a stable, joint-friendly workout, perfect for circulation, recovery, or simply staying active while seated. This is the Elenker All-Terrain Upright Rollator Walker, crafted for seniors who want to stay active while maintaining better posture. Its upright design with padded forearm supports encourages a straighter back and reduces strain on shoulders. With 10-inch solid, treaded wheels, it smoothly handles various surfaces, and the adjustable frame fits users from 5 feet to 6 feet. It also includes thoughtful touches like a cushioned seat, zippered pouch, cup holder, and cane holder, making everyday mobility more comfortable and convenient.